And then the final risk management tool is again something that I'm very passionate about. Writing risk management policies usually takes significant amount of time, and I've benchmarked hundreds of risk management policies, trying to figure out, okay, what are components, like what's the alignment with different standards, what are some of the good things to say, what are some of the unnecessary things to say, why some companies make it very short, 1 page, half a page, why other companies make the 15 pages, or I've seen 70 and 100 page policies, which is very far away from not even best practice, it's good practice. It's not good practice to have such long policy documents. So I've created a policy generator. We put in company X. We are supporting the world in green transition. By the way, AI can process typos, so you don't really have to worry about that. Mining. And we want both ISO and COSO alignment in the policy. And then what the AI model will do is it will generate a policy that is aligned with your overall vision, mission, and both the risk management standards and guidelines. And it goes through the important kind of sections of what the risk management policy should look like. Sometimes it even gives you like a proper, very nice formatting. That's an easy thing to extract. And again, you can ask follow-up questions. What about this? What about that? Are you missing anything? Please add another definition to the policy and make sure it's consistent, and so on. So this is a very small tool, very nice, especially if you're working for a holding company or a fund and you need to generate kind of consistent policies for various businesses. This will save so much time.